Hey, what's up, guys? Good afternoon from Danang, Vietnam. So yeah, my girlfriend went to go see the Bana Hills. She went on the Bana Hills tour. Um, yeah, I originally was gonna go, but yeah, they pick you up at 7:30 a.m. I'm not really an early riser, and then it goes on for 9 hours. And I've been feeling like physically weird the entire time I've been here, or like physically uncomfortable. I wouldn't go so far as to say it's painful, but yeah, well, I've had like headaches. I pretty much have had headaches every day. And yeah, I haven't, but and then I have had some like stomach troubles. Like I said, not exactly painful, but like kind of nauseous, like slight nauseousness every day. So yeah, I've been just trying to eat a lot of delicious. Luckily, the food is delicious, so it's easy to take down, even if I'm not super hungry. But yeah, it's been had a little struggle. But the plan right now is to go get some buncha. It's the restaurant is like right on the other side of the building across from me, but there's no alley, so I gotta like walk all the way around the block to get there. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff ready. I'll see you guys in a bit. Ah man, once again, I am ill prepared. I haven't been like not careful, but I haven't been planning well with the GoPro. Like, there's a 18% battery right now. I just charged it for about an hour or something. Um, so yeah, hopefully I could get some footage of the food. But yeah, I'm on my way out now. See you guys. Just got to the restaurant. I'm gonna order this yeah, just waiting for the server. Alright, I got this stuff. It looks very high quality, but man, it was pretty pricey. It was well, it's like $5, but if you get it on the streets, it's like $2. And it'll be like the same. Actually, they might even give you more on the streets for the $2 one. It looks not as, quantity doesn't look as big as I expected. Okay, we will try. Hopefully the battery doesn't run out, but yes. Put it all in the soup right here. There. Alright. We shall try. Very good. Like I said, high quality, good meat, and good cooking. They just gave me very little, I feel. This cost about $5. Let me try to. I saw other people like angling the camera so you can see the food too. But I don't know if my face will show up. I don't know. Not sure if the food is showing up, but I know the angle here is pretty wide. I just tried the pork belly, super good. It has that toasty flavor from the grill. Nice. sauce, the flavor of the sauce is pretty strong. I've had like lighter, like more like a soup type thing when I was in Hanoi. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the same thing or something else. Looks good. Just didn't expect the flavor to be that strong. Alright, try to get it all in one bite. Maybe they give the soup like this to prevent people from wasting it, I guess. Just make it more concentrated and smaller. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if the camera went out. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done or if I say something interesting. Michelin star. I know the Michelin star. I got 1% battery left.